To create an inspection plan, it is QP01. Enter and enter the material, and the plant is this. Key date concept remains the same, that this plan will be valid from this date. Press enter key. Since already one plan is there created which for this material, that's why it is taking me to this location. Information it is showing me. I want to create my own plan. Okay, then we will click on new entrance. If there is no plan, okay, then directly it will take you to the header level data. Header level information first need to be maintained. The group is coming, which is 61. Already one plan exists, that's why the group counter is coming as 2. Otherwise, it would have been 1 if there is no plan for. The group information is coming automatically. Initial screen, I haven't entered any information, only my material and the plan. Usage is the area where I'm going to use this inspection plan. Again, these things are maintained in the configuration where can specify the usage is possible. Whether you want to use it in the production or during the good receipt or in which area. Okay. At present, let me keep it say 3, which is universal. The status we need to specify, and we have to always keep it released. That's why we are selecting 4, which is a released. Other information I am not maintaining here. Just press enter key. Other things are coming, like the released is coming now. Go to the operation. We need to tell the control key. Each module has few control keys which will be controlling how this operation will be performed. So in the operation, we have to add the control key. Let me go to QM relevant control key. Here you will find 4 control keys: QM01, QM02, QM03, and 4. Okay. It is prefixed with Q. If I select this, click on the detailed information. In the configuration, what is maintained, that will come in the lower half. Okay. Here, inspection characteristics is required. This checkbox is checked. If I maintain the control key QM01, then I will be allowed to assign the MICs, and those MICs will be inspected. Okay. Whereas if I select say QM04 and click on details, then even the cost is added. This checkbox is checked. Cost is means that the cost will also be calculated if I maintain the control key QM04. So these control keys have specific purpose, how the operation will be controlled. Be adding QM01. Just now I have shown you the detail. Okay. Press enter key, and here you can enter the description, whatever you want to add. Let's select this operation. Okay, this is the operation number. Go to the inspection characteristics. We can assign the MICs which we have created. Okay, so you will find this master inspection characteristics. Click on this. You can search the MIC, or you can directly enter the MIC if you know the name of the MIC. T color.
Yeah.
Once you press enter key here, it seems that the catalogs are not linked. I have the option to assign the catalog in the MIC or while creating the inspection plan also, I can assign this. Let me first open the same MIC T color in another screen. US 23, enter, and the MIC is T-color. It is incomplete copy model, which means it is not mandatory to maintain the catalogs. That's why I haven't maintained the catalogs. It is unchecked. I select incomplete copy model. I have the option, while creation of my inspection plan, I can assign the missing information. Method or the catalogs that we can link in the inspection plan. But if I make it say complete copy model and try to save it, because in the change mode, it is asking me for the catalogs. Okay. whereas
Correct.
the incomplete, it was not asking me. So here I can assign the catalogs which I want to use. Then automatically it will come in the plan. Like I'm not saving it. We go to exit, yes. I want to show you the reference one. But this time I'm selecting reference characteristics. Okay. Click on control indicator. You can see it is again asking me to specify the gap. So in the case of complete and in the case of reference, I have to specify the catalogs. Whereas
Correct.
in the case of incomplete, I was allowed to save it. When I select the reference, I have to tell the catalogs to be used. Okay. Select this and continue. Okay, keeping it default only remaining things at present and save it. I have made it reference characteristics. I'm just starting it again, okay? Creation of my inspection plan because you saw the difference between incomplete and complete. To assign reference MIC in my inspection plan. Press enter key. Click on new entries again. Just now I have explained you all these things. So maintaining the control key to be used, which is QM01. Go to the inspection characteristics. Again, I am assigning my MIC. I have made the changes in the MIC now. Press enter key. Now it is taking you to the sampling procedure, not the catalogs here in this. If I'm selecting fixed means my sample size will be fixed. Okay. Here you can see this symbol is coming. This is a reference to the MIC characteristics is available. It will indicate that the MIC which is linked is a reference MIC. Let me assign one more MIC. Then you will see the difference for could be a complete or I let's take this admin. Again, it is taking you directly to the sampling procedure only, and I think we can take that one only. Okay. You press space, it will pick the.
Space.
Okay. Here you don't find the reference indicator, right?
Yeah.
Sampling procedure I have assigned here. So in my inspection plan, this is my header level information. How many operation you want to perform, you will be telling that. Because operation wise also you can split like just inspecting the external properties of the material or physical properties or the chemical properties or different kind of operations you want to add that can be added. At present for simplicity, I'm adding all my MIC in my one operation only. Okay. And here
Yes.
you can enter n number of MICs. I have linked two MICs. One is referenced MIC, another is a
Normal.
non-referenced MIC. You want to see the details, go to the control indicator if I want to check what all controls are maintained for it. For the MIC, it's a taste. Even this is not checked. We have to select this characteristics attribute. Sampling procedure is checked. That's why I am able to link the sampling procedure. Summarized recording is selected, required characteristics is selected, and here at this point also we can change the control indicators. Just now I have added the characteristics option. I have the option to make the changes while creating. Okay, even the catalogs are not linked because there the characteristics was not checked. That's why it was not asking. Can you see the difference? Otherwise, it should have first asked me to assign this. But once you check that, then you have to link this also. Go back. Yes. And here is the group. Okay, let me go to the change mode now. So it is QP02 transaction and enter the material and the plant, enter second group counter is coming. This is group counter. This is group. Okay. So under this group, which means the combination of the material and the plant, there are two plans created. Both the plan has the usage 3 status is released. Let me mark this as deleted so that it should not pick this plan. Okay, when the lot get triggered. So I have the option to make it deletion mark. I'm not deleting it. You do have the option to select it and click on delete. It will be deleted, but that is not the right one. Go to the header level, mark it deleted. Okay. Because later on, if I have to use this plan, it should be there, right? But if I delete it, then it will not be available. Inspection plan is a master data which will decide whole planning of my inspection. I have planned that in which area it will be used. It is released, okay. And in the operation, I have specified the control key to be used, which is QM01. The PRT is there, production resource tool. So I can link the equipment also for any operation if you want. Suppose if I want to check an MIC's pH, then pH meter might be required to test it. And then for particular MIC testing purpose, we can link the equipment also. Incomplete or complete talking, this reference indicator is not coming. And I am able to change my indicators or other information here itself. Let's see if I want to make the changes in the reference MIC. So go to the control indicator. Here you can see now the things are disabled. I would be able to change it. A reference is created and you will not be able to edit it. Check the data what is maintained in this and you can go to the catalogs because it is qualitative MIC. I want to make the changes in the catalog. Okay. So it is in the display mode and it is saying that I cannot make the changes. This reference MIC is in the inspection plan creation part. I cannot make the changes. I want to make the changes, suppose in this MIC. There are two options. Either I will make the changes, whatever data is maintained here in this. I can either break the link. You can see unlock MIC cache. If I select this, it will give me a information that no further reference will be left. So if I continue,
Yes.
then this link has been broken. Now I will be able to make the changes. Change my indicators. Previously, I was not able to make the changes. In the reference MIC, I can make the changes. First, I have to break the link. This MIC, which I have linked here, has the properties which I am now specifying. Okay, like the indicators now, which I am changing, let's make it say, I remove this sampling procedure from here. Okay, I have broken the link. Now, for the T color, whereas in the original MIC, it is there. Okay.
Understood.
Continue. Just see the difference. Okay. I have changed it. You can see it is not now asking me for the
Okay.
sampling procedure. Because I'm not specifying the sampling procedure. It means 100% inspection will be done for this property for the MIC. For each piece, the color will be tested. Why I am using a reference MIC? When I have the option to break the link here and I can make the changes here, what's the purpose of using my reference MIC? Let me assign one more MIC here to get the clarity and we will take some measurable MIC this time. Okay. I'm assigning that quantitative MIC and it is asking me for the sampling procedure. Enter. So here again, it is a non-reference MIC. If we check the indicators which are maintained for it, okay, two are select. Okay, let me open this same MIC in the change mode. QS23 enter and the MIC name is this. Enter. It's a incomplete copy model, but some data is already contained in this. This is 1 in 10. Okay.
Yes,
And some
understood.
data is maintained for it. Okay. So when I am creating my plan, here I don't have to maintain it. Or the specification here. Let me make it say decimal places and it say 3 decimal places. Right. So I am able to make the changes in this MIC. Let me go back. Let me change the same MIC to the reference MIC. Just now you saw that I was able to make the changes here. Let me make it this MIC as a reference MIC. Okay. Press enter key and just save it. Now let's assign the same MIC here. I'm just quickly going to the same thing. So I am assigning this MIC and now it is a reference MIC, right? Press enter key.
Understood.
And the specifications which are maintained for it is 6 and 10. Either I have to make the changes here by breaking the link. Other way is MIC. Okay, let me go to this and I'm making it here some changes. Same, I'm making it say 7 and here I'm making it say 3. Enter. Okay, I have done the changes here. Let's save it. Start it again. It's not reflecting the new one. Okay, 801. Now again I am assigning it. Okay, keeping the same procedure. Okay, so now if I go to the quantitative data, it is now changed. The benefit of doing this is that suppose the industry is saying that instead of 2 decimal places, make it 3 decimal places. Okay. So if you are using an incomplete copy model or a complete copy model for the MIC, then for each inspection plan, wherever you have assigned a particular MIC, then you will go and make the changes. Whereas in this case, the advantage is that if I'm creating a reference MIC because master data, when I'm making the change to my master data, it will be reflected or automatically updating the data in my plan, which is unmastered. Otherwise, when we are making any changes in master data, we have to reassign it. Okay. Whereas in this case, a reference is created. That's why it will get automatically updated. Let's see the indicators which are maintained for this MIC. Let's make some which is a single decimal. Let me make it single. It's not important. Okay. Continue. Let me remove the extra MICs. 2 MICs are there. One is single, another is summarized one. Save it. So my inspection plan is created. Inspection plan is a master data where whatever is not assigned in the MIC, in this stage I can assign, like the catalogs which are missing here in the MIC that I can link it here. Total MICs need to be tested. If required, of course, we can assign the inspection method also. Plan itself or even in the MIC. If it is say PH or some other MIC, then I can link the method also. And if it is linked, then it will be automatically getting updated here in the inspection method.